Yo, what's good YouTube? So today video I'm gonna show you how I made $1,400 trading gold. So with that being said, let's jump in the video. It's not gonna be a fancy edit of fancy shit. It's gonna be pure sauce. So this is in Thursday. So as you see on Thursday, we are in a bullish trend. We make a higher high and a higher low, and then a higher high and a higher low. And don't get me wrong, we shift structure right here, but we get up in the trend and we keep pushing up. And then when your session open in 8 a.m. EST, we shift structure to the downside. Okay, shift structure to the downside. So we are looking for a sell position. And if you look to the volume, we have like a sales getting control of the market. So I'm looking for sales. I'm looking for supply zone. So I see this supply zone, the last candle before the push. I mark my supply zone from the bottom to the top, and of course we have a gap to be filled. And then the price retesting the supply zone, but it's not retesting, but it's by a hair. You see, do I need to jump and chase the price? Fuck no, because regardless I'm gonna see another opportunity represent a sell. So I stay tight and wait for the next opportunity. And what we see next, where we have a low and we have a high, and we broke structure right here. So this is our new high and this is our new low. So we're looking for the last bullish candle before the push, and I see this, the last bullish candle before the push. I mark my supply zone. Let me move this so you don't get confused. So this is the break of structure right here. Remove this. So the cells are in control, so we're looking for cells. So let's remove this. So we have the last bullish candle before the push, and we have a small tiny gap right here, must be filled. So we broke structure again. So this is our new high and this is our new low, and the price is testing the demands, the supply zone. And I see this weak rejection. Okay, the cells are in control, guys, holding this supply zone. And then I see another rejection, and I see this third candle that gave a bullish engulfing candlestick. So I'm a little bit iffy about this. Maybe this supply zone is not gonna work out, so let me stay patient and see what's gonna happen next. And I see this doji rejection candlestick. So for the hosts who know, the doji rejection candlestick is a massive rejection candlestick that's showing you the buys and the sells are even. Okay, so when I see this massive doji rejection candlestick, so I put my sell stop here and my stop loss above this candle wick, above the doji. So I'm waiting for the current candle that printing to break the previous low, so and eventually break the previous low. So my target is always no negotiate is 101. When I get to 101, I'm close some coins right here, and I left and I go to break even, and I let some coins around to these lows right here. So and the rest is bro, is fucking history, bro. Maybe like if I close some coins right here, but I close all my position in this low. But if I left some coins, maybe I'm gonna do this 200 EMA. I'm gonna target the 200 EMA. Why? Because the 200 EMA always reflect from the price, as you see here. As soon as the price touches the 200 EMAs, that make a rejection to the upside, and then eventually broke, and then the price retesting the EMAs, and then keep pushing to the downside. Look at this, bro. Holy shit. Like 1 to 24 risk to reward ratio. Like, don't get me wrong, guys. You're not gonna catch this whole trade. Like, as long as you catch the 1-1 and target these lows, then you're good. You don't need to catch the whole move. You don't need to catch the whole move, because it's a bullshit. It's a bullshit. As long as you are right about the trade, then you're good. You're good. Just take your money and get the fuck out of the market. You don't need to stay in the market. You already make money. That's it. Like, it's easy, simple strategy. This strategy alone that helped me and help my students make the same result daily, every single day. And don't get me wrong, this week I get three setup of this supply zones. Demand or supply, that doesn't matter. So I get 3 setup this week. I missed the first one because I was too busy in my week. I have like a meeting and everything, and I missed the second setup. And Thursday I cast this setup. So do I need to trade every single day to make money? No, because regardless you're gonna see another setup. Another opportunity is gonna be present and take action. That's it. You don't need to be in the market from Monday to Friday. You don't need that. If you make money Monday and Tuesday, you're good. You can end this week. You can call it a week and show up next week. That's it. I hope you get advantage. It's easy. It's simple strategy. It's nothing crazy. Everyone can learn it. Period. Everyone can learn this strategy, and that's it.